Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how to install Stremio app on your Android application. So first of all you have to open your Play Store. Let's click on it. After that you have to search for the Stremio app. Now you can see the Stremio app is not available in my region. To solve this issue you have to install the application from the official website of the Stremio app. So let's open the Google Chrome and install it. Search here for the Stremio app download, and then now you can see the stremio.com website. Click on it. After that scroll a bit down. Now you can see the different options to download. We are going to download for the Android, so we have to scroll down and find the Android version. Now you can see the Stremio app for the Android mobile. Click on the download button. After that you have to click on the download again button. Now you can see that our downloading is started. We have to wait for a few seconds and install the application after it's complete. Now as you can see the Stremio app is downloaded. Click on the Stremio app. After that click on the install button. It will take a couple of seconds depending on your device. After that click on the open button, and then you have to allow some permissions like notification and other permission. Click on allow if you want, and if you want don't allow, you have to click on the don't allow. It's up to you. Allow the privacy and policy and terms and conditions, so click on it. And then now you can see you have different options. You can continue with the Facebook, you can sign up, you can log in. If you have already account you can log in. If you don't have any account you can sign up with the Facebook, and you can sign up with the email as well. So click on this sign up. After that you have to add your email and password here, so let's add email. Make sure to add a strong password using symbols and 8 digits. After that click on the terms and condition. In this way you can download and install the application and then create a new account on the Stremio app. I hope you guys like the video. If you guys find the video helpful, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon and follow for more videos. See you guys in the next video.